Hey everyone, Danny Jose here, DIY guy with another do-it-yourself video, and this time it's to show you how to properly and easily put your lawnmower bag into the brown bags. Now originally I started to do this by standing the brown bag up, opening it up, and then taking the bag and trying to put it into the brown bag. But the more optimal and easy way to do this is to lay it down on the ground with the opening here. Take out your brown bag, then take off your lawnmower bag off of the, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Okay, so take that off. Okay, you have your grass bag, and you simply just put it inside. And this prevents it from ripping and making a mess. We'll lay it on the ground, slide it inside, and then what you're going to do is take it and stand it up. I'm doing this with one hand, but as you can see, stand it up. And then you can just put it right in there without ripping the bag. Shake it, get all the grass in there. Now it's in the brown bag.